Hello everybody! Today I'll be showing you how to change the background color and text color of Terminal. If you have any suggestions for videos I should make in the future, comment them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. To change the color of Terminal, first click Terminal and then Preferences. Here you can pick any of the options, and I'll just use Ocean for this tutorial. Now quit Terminal by clicking Terminal and then quit Terminal, or you can just press Command Q. Open Terminal again, and the new color scheme should be there. You can also create your own color schemes by opening Preferences again and then going to Profiles. Click the plus button at the bottom and add a name to add a new profile. Now change the background color and the text color. To set the profile, go into General and then select it. Quit Terminal and open it, and your new profile will be there. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions for videos I should make in the future, comment them down below.